And oh, for 21 Tom. Robert Burns' song from the point of view of a young woman who's looking forward to coming of age, of being 21, being able to marry the fellow she likes against her family's wishes. And oh, for 21 Tom, and hey, sweet 21 Tom, I'll learn my kin a rattlin song, and I saw 21 Tom. They slew me sair and haud me down, and gar me look like bluntie Tom. But 3 short years will soon roun, and then comes 21 Tom. And oh, for 21 Tom, and hey, sweet 21 Tom, I'll learn my kin a rattlin song, and I saw 21 Tom. A gleib on a claut gear was left me by my Auntie Tom. At kith or ken I need no spier, and I saw 21 Tom. And oh, for 21 Tom, and hey, sweet 21 Tom, I'll learn my kin a rattlin song, and I saw 21 Tom. They'll lay me wed a wealthy coof, though I mysel hae plenty Tom. But hearst thou, laddie, there's my loof, I'm thine at 21 Tom. And oh, for 21 Tom, and hey, sweet 21 Tom, I'll learn my kin a rattlin song, and I saw 21 Tom. That tune is called The Moudiewort, which is a mole. Now, Burns did not like the setting that his publisher put it with. The Scots Musical Museum. It appeared there in 1792, number 355. But Burns wrote to his second publisher a couple years later, "The set in the museum does not please me, but if you will get one of our ancienter Scots fiddlers to play you in Strathspey time, the Moudiewort, that is the name of the air, I think it will delight you." So I've got the tune from John Johnson's Choice Collection of Favorite Country Dances, Volume 3, published in 1744. There's a few sets of the tune, but I like this, the way this one goes with these words. Well, so, and oh, and an meant if or should, and sometimes just I wish for. So, and oh, like, I wish for 21 to turn 21, Tom. I'll learn my kin, I'll teach my family a rattlin song. They snool me sair and haud me doon. They snub me sorely and they hold me down and gar me look like bluntie. They make me look like John Blunt was a stock character. There's a song called John Blunt, and he's kind of a dimwit. So they basically make fun of her. But 3 short years will soon wheel round, and then comes 21. A gleib o' land, a claut o' gear. A gleib is a swath of land, and a clutch of gear, livestock, was left me by my Auntie. At kith or kin I need a spier. I needn't ask them for anything when she turns 21. They'll hae me wed a wealthy coof, a jerk, a twit, with money. Though I myself have plenty, but hearst thou, laddie, there's my loof, my palm, shake on it. I'm 9 at 21. That's a nice little song there by Mr. Burns. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Another setting of the melody is with a song I just put up called the Moudiewort, W-A-R-K. M-O-U-D-I-E-W-A-R-K. That's one of the bodied songs. Actually, it's a different setting, which is a great set of the melody. It doesn't go with these words as well. So